how to make a beat, Flute trap beat in Linux Multimedia Studio. Listen. First the tempo like this, and now let's see the drums. Don't forget you can get these sounds in description in my page. You can buy the premium sounds or download the free library, okay? The kick. The hi-hat. Then piano roll. Let's see the hi-hats. Okay. The 808. The snare. And the flute. Minor, natural. Okay. The last sound is a pluck. Yep, that is the beat. It's so simple, and the last effect is the unlimited. So wait, I using the melodies, this equalizer to the flute, this ocean imager, and this river. Okay, without effects, sound like this. Alright, and the plug I use just a river. Yeah, this river simple. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I see you in the next video. Subscribe, like, etc. Yeah, bye. Wait, I wanna show you how to export this audio like mp3, WAP, etc. Just click in file, click on export, Here you select the folder to save the file. Here you can put the name. Here select the format, WAP or MP3. For example, WAP. Save. Click to select the or change the file. For example, WAP. Don't forget to use this option or this option. Normally I use this, and click on start. Okay. If you want to use the MP3, don't forget put this in this option. Okay, this is the maximum quality for MP3, and this option in stereo, and click on start. You will have the file in your folder to upload your beats, or yeah. So I'll see you in the next video, bro. What? Oh, I forget the effect. Okay.